Yeah, man, I don't know where up for Douglas family lifestyle already, man. I don't buy a coronation side there with them when I go and hold it is it. Another day, baby. Another day, my people. Another day. Yeah, man. Why? What you doing now? How you doing? How you doing, my people? I just want to say many thanks and welcome to all my new subscribers. Yeah, man. See this pole, yeah? This is just in front of the school. And the council have put in this post because there's a no parking. And when they come to collect the kids, they still park there. So what they done, they put in all those posts at the curb there to prevent the parking, which is right because it's very dangerous. Yeah. Very dangerous for you to park when the kids and school finish. How you doing, my people? Welcome to the Douglas Family Lifestyle. You don't know, out and about, and it's a weekend, so happy weekend to all. Happy weekend to all. Welcome all my new subscriber who subscribe to the channel. Content creator. I'll check out the channel in the next 24 hours. Thank you very much. Well appreciated. We are off on the way to our first 1K. So my people, I say thank you very much for the love and support. Much appreciated. You the one that if you think if I go get some summer, you know. Really wondering. What do you think, my people? You think we're gonna get some summer in England? I don't know. Place is green though. Everything is just on green. Don't believe the sunshine. Listen to Christmas this time in family, you know. Yeah, kind of sad still, but soon free up still, you know. Lee, bless up yourself. Bless up yourself, much love, you know. Kirby Kai. Blessing, blessing, blessing. Yeah, man. Blessing to all the content creators, you know, who also support my channel all the way, you know. And subscribers who have been there from then until now. The Douglas Family Lifestyle there, you know. Same road but different there, you know. Yeah, that's how it goes. Wagwan people. Them mama there. We're going to there have a subscriber, Douglas Family Lifestyle. We're here for the first time, to remember. Press the subscription button. Yeah. Well, I appreciate that, you know. Yeah, man, talking about the weather. What do you think, people? You think we ever get in the summer? Do we really ever get any summer? What do you think? Why it's being like this, you know? All the time. Can we get a week of sunshine? We'd love that, you know? If we do more shine, we would have work, but I still love that. A week of sunshine, that would be great. Lincoln Green area. This area here. Active. Traffic is active. It's a Friday. I'm going into work on the afternoon shift. Nothing new. So you should walk to the vehicle. When you walk, you must walk to the vehicle, come into you. So you walk to the traffic, come into you. So the traffic is facing you. That's the right way to walk. You can see what's happening, you know. Please for feedback on the video. Leave some comments, yeah? Please and thanks. Put a like on the video. Please subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Journey on to work. Beautiful. Hope the sunshine tomorrow. Got a brand new barbecue jam. I'll show you guys tomorrow. Hope the sunshine. I want to try it out tomorrow. See what's it like. sit down on the seat here. Relax a bit. It's very cold, you know, my people. When it's cold. Yeah. Yeah, it's very cold, man. My nose running. Trust me. Very busy afternoon. Douglas Summer Lifestyle, and I think it's the first time. Please remember, comments, like and share and subscribe to the channel. Please and thank, tell a friend to tell a friend. Help me go to reach to my first 1K, my people. Thanks again to the new subscriber who subscribe to my channel. I know got a content creator. I'll go check you out next 24 hours. Alright? Yeah. I'll see you in the next 24 hours. It's green on the street. Dark sky today, my people. Dark sky. Litter bin. You know, so don't litter the place. Yeah, man. That is it. Very cold, very cold, very cold. Yeah. Yes, my people die, you know. We make my people die. Douglas Summer Lifestyle, you know. In the building. Yeah, man. Coming on to work time now, so my people, I'll catch you next time, you know. No joke about it, yeah? Blessing and love to all. Beautiful day. Happy weekend to all, you know. God and good road. Christmas list must be free. Send him home to your family. Yeah, man. Peace and love. Yeah, man. DJ Suki, bless up yourself by 39. Yeah, man. TV. Bless up yourself. JJ Adventure. Jamaica them best. Godfield Burn, say the bumper. Blessing. Yeah, man. Thai travel back. Bless up yourself. Yeah, man. Blessed life journey. Blessing. Gmail and TV. Boom family. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. Father and son. Blessing. Yeah, man. A whole heap of them, you know. Blessing to all, you know. And all let me grow my channel still. So one love and blessing to all. That we are said Douglas Summer Lifestyle. Give thanks to everyone, you know. If you don't hear your name call our channel, blessing to you. Same way. Can't remember everyone. But the love goes out straight across the board. Yeah, man. Do remember, we after the first 1K, so help me grow the channel, my people. Much appreciated and love, you know. Yeah, man. Streaming live from the UK. You don't know where we go. Catch you later, work mates now. You see it? I'm out for now.